J-20S vs F-22, How Drones Flip the Battle of Mighty Stealth Fighters. A simulated battle between Chinese and American stealth fighter jets has shown which would be the victor, and why. China and the United States boast the most formidable stealth fighter jets in the world, but which one reigns supreme? A team of Chinese military experts decided to find out, so they conducted a simulated battle between a J-20 of the People's Liberation Army, PLA, and an F-22 of the U.S., setting the stage to the north of Taiwan. To be cautious, the Chinese jet's technical specs, including radar prowess and stealth capabilities, were deliberately set lower than its American counterpart. The outcome? In every scenario, the Chinese fighter emerged on top with a win rate exceeding 95%. This performance was attributed to the J-20's ability to team up with 2 to 3 unmanned drones. These aerial companions could scout out the enemy, draw fire from the F-22, and launch multidirectional attacks, while the human-piloted J-20 struck the decisive blow. At this month's China Air Show, the PLA unveiled the latest iteration of its heavy stealth fighter, the J-20S. A global first, this two-seater stealth jet features a unique setup. One pilot focuses on flying and weaponry, while the other handles communication and drone coordination. The landscape of modern air combat has undergone a paradigm shift, thanks to rapid advancements in information and drone technology, wrote a research team led by Zhang Dong, an associate professor with the School of Astronautics at Northwestern Polytechnical University, in a paper published this month. While there's still a gap between drone autonomy and the demands of air combat, manned-unmanned collaboration offers a promising solution, Zhang and his colleagues said. The concept of loyal wingmen originated in the U.S., with Kratos XQ-58 Valkyrie drones successfully linking up with F-22 and F-35 jets in recent tests. However, the project remains in its experimental stages, with one major hurdle being how one pilot could manage drones in the heat of battle. According to Zhang's paper, the two pilots of the J-20S have a heavy workload. They must integrate data from satellites, warning aircraft, ground radars, and drones, assess the battlefield situation, assign targets to drones, and make split-second decisions for attack or defense. Simulations revealed that a lone J-20 armed with 8 medium-range air-to-air missiles had a less than 10% chance of defeating an F-22 carrying 6 AIM-120C missiles. Despite the Chinese missile's longer range, the U.S. jet's radar had the edge in detection. But the addition of 2 drones tipped the scales, and with 3, the J-20's advantage widened, allowing it to win without even engaging in combat. Zhang's team used a cutting-edge digital simulation system for their air combat scenarios. Our platform includes realistic 6-degree of freedom models for real fighter jets in service, sensor models, and missile simulations, capable of replicating real-world manned-unmanned air combat, they wrote. Northwestern Polytechnical University, located in the historic city of Xi'an, is a key player in advanced military technology research. The Chinese government has accused the U.S. National Security Agency of attempting to hack into the university's network to steal sensitive information. The peer-reviewed paper was published in the Chinese academic journal Systems Engineering and Electronics on November 20, 2024. And on November 28, 2024, it was published in SouthChinaMorningPost.com. Thanks for watching.